Hello Plenty of Mashers and welcome back to yet another Doodle with me video. Today we'll be doodling my probably favorite thing to do, and it's stationery. If you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Let's get doodling! I'm not going crazy colorful with this, so not that many supplies are going to be used. I'm just going to use my square journal, some Faber-Castell fine liners and gray pen, and of course my pencil and eraser. Everything will be linked in the description if you want to check it out. Now, as in my previous video, I am starting from having a basic shape in pencil, and then I just use a fine liner to kind of finalize the doodle, if you will, to add more details. So that way the video doesn't turn out to be like way too long, but you also can see how each doodle comes from a very simple, very basic shape. And speaking of doodling, I just wanted to let you know that next weekend I will be hosting yet another workshop, and this one is doodling for beginners. So yeah, I will be sharing some basic techniques, some secrets on how to start doodling, and basically just having tons of fun doodling together. So if you want to know a little bit more about the workshop and everything, the link will be in the description. And I'm actually planning to host a workshop once a month, every month, and every time it will be a different topic. So I usually ask everyone on my Instagram what kind of workshop they want. So if you want to be part of that poll, just be sure to subscribe. Link to my Instagram is actually also in the description. Just wanted to jump in here and mention a few things. First of all, I want to send my deepest gratitude to everyone who supports me on Patreon, because you guys are amazing. As always, I love creating things for you, and you're always so creative. Like every time I'm creating a monthly setup, I ask my Patreon what themes they want, and they always come up with something very interesting. So yeah, thank you for supporting Masha plans. And if you want to be part of my Patreon family, the link will be in the description. You can join for as little as $1 a month, and you'll be getting tons of value, doodling tutorials, printable weekly spreads, just a lot of things. And of course, we're also doing a weekly live sessions where I plan my weekly spreads and we just hang out on our private Facebook group. So I do hope you'll consider joining. And I also want to send extra thanks to everyone who supports me on Ko-fi. I really appreciate every cup you guys get me. And yeah, so thank you very much for all your support. So generally, I feel like stationery is one of my favorite things to doodle. Probably stationery will be number 1 and makeup would be number 2. So let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite things to doodle? I'd love to know, and maybe that could be an idea for a next Doodle with me video. Hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!